Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Last year's resolutions scattered on the floor, but finding you was one I didn't know I was looking for. Remember how we shivered, waiting for the chime. You held my hand so tight, and it was the best of times. We didn't know the story that was waiting to be told. 12 months later, darling, look at what our hearts now hold. And now the sky's on fire with a billion sparks of light. My only wish this year is to be yours tonight and always. So happy New Year, baby, here's to us and all we are. I'm not just chasing fireworks, I'm wishing on our star. Let's be prosperous in laughter, healthy in this love we've made. I'm so excited for the beautiful mess we've got planned out, with the old doubts and with the new, so sure and true. My new beginning, honey, started the night I found you. We built a home in moments, in coffee cups and drives. And how was your day, darling, and keeping our love alive? You're my steady anchor, you're my crazy fun, my favorite hello, and my comfort when the day is done. So as this new year rushes in, a blank and hopeful slate, I just wanna write it with my soulmate, my best mate. And now the sky's on fire with a billion sparks of light. My only wish this year is to be yours tonight and always. So happy New Year, baby, here's to us and all we are. I'm not just chasing fireworks, I'm wishing on our star. Let's be prosperous in laughter, healthy in this love we've made. I'm so excited for the beautiful mess we've got planned out, with the old doubts and with the new, so sure and true. My new beginning, honey, started the night I found you. They can have the parties, the noise and the cheer. My whole world is perfectly right here in your arms. You're my constant, my fresh start, my greatest surprise. I see forever when I look into your eyes. So happy New Year, baby, here's to us and all we are. I'm not just chasing fireworks, I'm wishing on our star. Let's be prosperous in laughter, healthy in this love we've made. I'm so excited for the beautiful mess we've got planned out, with the old doubts and with the new, so sure and true. My new beginning, honey, started the night I found you. This year and every after, it's you.
Hey, oh, hey, 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 hey. The lights go out, the clock strikes, 1,000 memories float around. Laughter and tears in our hearts, everything we've lived through has brought us to this day. We've healed wounds, we've learned to love, every fall taught us to fly. What hurt is now in the past, tonight something more begins. Look at the faces, no one is alone. We are history written in unison. Raise your glass, feel the warmth, because the future begins today. Let's toast to what's to come, to the dreams that will arrive, to the kisses, to the people, to starting over. May the new year find us with more light and more truth. eyes shining as we face the end. New promises in every embrace, hope beating with every step. What we lost made us grow, what we gained made us believe. Today time begins again, 1,000 paths to walk. Life dances, voices resound, hearts beat stronger. Tonight is for dreaming, everything is possible once more. Let's toast to what's to come, to the dreams that will arrive, to the kisses, to the people, to starting over. Let's toast to what's to come, to the dreams that will arrive, to the kisses, to the people, to starting over. May the new year find us with more light and more truth. Let's leave fear behind, let's toast to what's coming now. May we never lack a reason, nor faith, nor song. May we continue living together, celebrating who we are today. Let's toast to what's to come, to life and its signs, to the days that surprise us, to loving without looking back. May this new year give us 1,000 reasons to toast. Hands up,